bring the broom up?
Residential construction. There's never enough time. Everything has to go just right. And money. You gotta make every penny count. But maybe it's time to think about something else. Always make sure your guard is working. Don't put down a saw until the guard has fully returned. The saw blade should never be more than about ½ an inch deeper than the wood you're cutting. You always want to minimize your exposure to the blade. You're a pro. There's always time to do it right.